Hi, today I'll be going to talk about India's unemployment crisis, challenges, and the way forward. India, the world's fastest growing major economy, is also facing a paradox: high economic growth but persistent unemployment. Despite rapid urbanization, industrialization, and a thriving service sector, the country struggles with lack of sufficient jobs, especially for young, educated youth. Uh, Unemployment in India is not just about job scarcity. It is structural and multifaceted, from disguised unemployment in agriculture to jobless growth in industry and services. The unemployment rate stood at 7.5% in 2024, with youth employment reached alarming levels of over 20% in urban areas. India has long struggled with employment generation post 1991 liberalization. While the economy grew, job creation lagged. The 2008 global financial crisis, COVID-19 pandemic, and automation trends further worsened the employment opportunities. Let's look at the barriers to job creation. First one is skill mismatch. The workforce lacks skills that match industry demands. Second is slow industrial growth. Manufacturing industry contributes only 17% to GDP compared to China's 27%. Third is overdependence on agriculture. Nearly 40% of workforce still depends on low productivity farm jobs. Fourth is policy and regulatory hurdles. Rigid labor laws and bureaucratic red tape hinder business expansion and job creation. Fifth is technology and automation. AI and mechanization are reducing job opportunities, especially for low skilled workers. Let's look at the possible solutions and timeline. Skill development and education reform. 0 to 3 years. Invest in vocational training and industry specific programs under initiatives like Skill India. Boosting manufacturing. 3 to 7 years. Strengthen Make in India and PLI production linked incentives to create large scale employment. Labor law reforms, 3 to 5 years. Simplify and modernize labor laws to make hiring and business operation easier. Fourth is encouraging MSMEs and startups, 0 to 5 years. Provide financial and policy support to small businesses that are India's biggest job creators. Fifth is leveraging digital and green economy, 5 to 10 years. Promote green jobs in renewable energy and digital economy jobs in AI, data science, and fintech. So the conclusion is while the problem of unemployment in India is serious and multi-pronged approach can address it. If education, industrial growth, and policy reforms align, India can transform its demographic dividend into an economic powerhouse. Thank you.